Shytoshi Kusama just changed everything. A massive bombshell has been dropped today, and this might push Shiba Inu to the next level. Analysts are dropping their signals. Few zeros might be removed in price soon. What is happening? And why is this a game changer? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Something big has just been dropped today, and it's shaking up the entire Shiba Inu community. Shytoshi Kusama just lit the fire. Out of nowhere, he dropped a massive bombshell about what's coming next for Shiba Inu, and let me tell you, it's not just hype. This has the potential to change the game completely. According to Shytoshi, something huge is brewing. We're not just talking about a typical update or small tweak. This is the kind of development that could send waves across the entire crypto space. If what he's teasing plays out, it could be the push Shiba Inu needs to finally delete a couple of those zeros we've been staring at for months. But here's the crazy part, it doesn't stop there. Because right now something strange is happening with the charts. Like really strange. Analysts are calling it an anomaly. The chart is moving in a way that we haven't seen in a long while, and it might be signaling something massive just around the corner. Now you might be wondering, has this news already made an impact? According to one analyst, absolutely yes. He pointed out that Shiba Inu is showing signs of serious strength. The price is climbing and showing solid momentum. You can literally feel the energy building up. More people are jumping in, trading volumes are climbing, and interest is shooting through the roof. And if this continues, we could be looking at a move that doubles what we're seeing right now, maybe even more. The way the market is reacting, and with this much attention from the community, it's lining up perfectly for a potential breakout. So yeah, between Shytoshi's mysterious announcement and this strange behavior on the charts, it's feeling like we're on the edge of something big. And if Shiba Inu really takes off from here, those dreams of losing a few zeros, they might just become reality sooner than we thought. So what just happened? Well, the Shiba Inu community just got hit with a jaw-dropping update, and it's straight from the top. A Shiba Inu affiliated account called Shibarium just shared a short but powerful extract from the brand new Shiba Inu AI white paper, written by none other than Shytoshi Kusama himself. And let's just say, this isn't your typical crypto update. This is big picture, world-shifting stuff. In this white paper, which quietly dropped earlier this week, Shytoshi doesn't sugarcoat anything. He paints a bold, dystopian vision of the future where AI isn't just a tool. It's a dominating force woven into every part of life. We're talking AI in our businesses, factories, homes, everywhere. He even says he's seen what the real future looks like, and it's not exactly a happy sci-fi movie. According to Shytoshi, the future will be ruled by multiple kinds of AI. There's centralized AI, the kind that monitors and controls what's left of humanity, dictating how we think, act, and behave. Then, there's decentralized AI, the resistance. It's created by builders who refuse to be controlled. Shytoshi calls them freedom fighters. These are the people building decentralized tech, just like what's happening with Shiba Inu. There's also enterprise AI designed for business, and auxiliary and ancillary AI, which are supportive systems working in the background to power everything else. Then there's malicious AI, which he warns will rise to do harm in the post-GPT era. And on top of all that, anti-AI movements will push back, but Kusama warns even they will be tracked and analyzed. Basically, he's describing a future where surveillance and control are everywhere, unless you're on the decentralized side. So how does this tie back to Shiba Inu? Here's the thing. This isn't just a dramatic sci-fi prediction. What Kusama's laying out is a framework for why Shiba Inu matters and where it's headed. If Shiba Inu becomes integrated into this decentralized AI movement, if it powers tools, apps, or even platforms that stand as alternatives to centralized control, then its value won't just grow, it could explode. We're talking about Shiba Inu becoming a key player in the future digital resistance, a symbol of freedom, a currency for decentralized apps and AI systems. And when people start using Shiba Inu across different sectors, especially AI-driven platforms and services, demand shoots up. Supply stays tight. And when that happens, prices can skyrocket. Zeros get erased. The vision Shytoshi is pushing isn't just hype, it's utility. And not in some far-off future. With the way tech is evolving and how fast AI is being adopted, this kind of integration could happen faster than anyone expects. If Shiba Inu really becomes the native token in decentralized AI ecosystems, it's not crazy to imagine it climbing to levels we've only dreamed of. Yes, even reaching that 1 cent mark. So yeah, this isn't just another white paper. It's a warning. It's a plan. And more importantly, it's a massive opportunity for Shiba Inu to rise as a true powerhouse in the next evolution of the internet. And here's the thing. We can already see the hype crawling in right now. It's not just chatter or speculation anymore. The numbers are screaming. Shiba Inu is heating up, and the blockchain itself is starting to show serious signs of life. Just recently, over 600 trillion Shiba Inu tokens were moved in massive transactions within a 24-hour window. Let that sink in for a second. That's the biggest volume spike we've seen in an entire month. This kind of sudden whale activity doesn't happen by accident. It's usually a clear sign that something big is either happening or about to happen. This wave of huge transfers peaked on July 18th, the exact same day Shiba Inu hit the top of its current resistance range. That's not a coincidence. When large holders, those with serious money, start moving like this, it usually comes just before major volatility kicks in. That means a big move is likely coming, one way or the other. But here's the good news. The momentum is leaning bullish. Shiba Inu is currently testing its 200-day moving average, a key long-term indicator. Historically, when prices break through this line and hold, it signals the start of a stronger trend upward. And get this, Shiba Inu also just broke above a months-long consolidation zone where the price was stuck for ages. That's a big deal. It means the range that was holding Shiba Inu down has finally been cracked. On top of that, technical indicators are flashing green. That shows strong buyer interest. Volume is picking up too, which means there's real energy backing this move. Sure, there might be short-term pauses or dips, some traders taking profits, but the overall trend is pushing higher. And with everything happening, from the mind-blowing AI white paper by Shytoshi Kusama to whales moving trillions worth of tokens, to the chart finally waking up, this isn't just random hype. It's shaping up to be a major shift for Shiba Inu. We're in a moment right now where the price, the community, and the fundamentals are all aligning. If this energy keeps flowing, we might finally see Shiba Inu start deleting those stubborn zeros. And that 1-cent dream? It's looking less like a fantasy and more like a countdown. And this isn't just hype, because here's more. Shiba Inu is currently seeing one of the most explosive on-chain activity spikes in recent memory. We're talking about a 1,000% plus surge in key network metrics. That's not a small bump. That's a massive leap. And it's being driven by a sudden rush in whale-sized transactions and wallet movements over the past 90 days. What does this mean? It means that major players, think institutions or ultra-wealthy holders, are either aggressively loading up on Shiba Inu or making strategic moves to position themselves ahead of something big. You don't get this kind of activity unless they're expecting serious action ahead. This level of movement usually acts like a warning light for big price swings. It's like the market is stretching right before a sprint. These spikes in activity don't happen randomly. They've shown up before major rallies or even right before Shiba Inu hit short-term tops in the past. The market is either bracing for a big breakout or reacting early to a news catalyst that hasn't fully surfaced yet. And this right here is what adds even more fuel to the fire. If whales are buying or even just repositioning in large amounts, it shows confidence. It suggests they believe that a significant move upward is not only possible but likely. They're not waiting for retail traders to catch up. They're getting in before the big wave. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.